Welcome back in your e-learning classes which is arranged by Bardwan Model School, and I am your Manushi ma'am taking your KG mathematics class. Hope you all are safe and fine at your home. So students, last few days we have learned that place value, okay, tens and ones, and I hope you all are practice at your home these types, and you were practicing all these worksheets which I have uploaded already in the e-portal. You should practice regularly these worksheets. Okay students, so let's start. Today also we will discuss about this place value, that is tens, ones, using this using some numbers. Okay, so let's just start. Come here. So students, today also we will discuss about this topic. This is ones and tens. Now 10, I have already told you that 10 to 99, these are two digit number, and 0 to 9, these are single digit number, that I have already told. So 10, 1, 0, 10, these two 99, these all are 2 digit number. Okay, that is 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, like this up to 99. Okay, so, and I have already told you that 1 tens is equal to 10 10 objects. Any objects I can draw here, like this type of triangles. Okay, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So these 10 triangles, if I bind this or in a bunch, that is called 1 tens. Okay, that is called 1 tens. 1 tens means 10. 1 tens means 10 objects are here. 10 objects. Any objects you can, you will make 10, make 1 tens. Okay, like this. Suppose here I am taking some balls, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like this. So 14 balls I have taken. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 balls I have taken here and make these called 1 tens, because 10 balls are here. So 10 objects makes 1 tens, and these are loose balls, 1 2 3 4. So here is 4 ones. Okay, so 1 tens, 4 ones means, if I make two columns like tens, ones, 1 tens mean 1 tens, 4 ones means 1 4 14. Okay, so like this, if I am taking 1 6 16, then how can I put them in this column? First, 1 tens means, look at here. Suppose I am taking these types of beads, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here is 1 tens, 1 tens, and 6. How can I show this? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here is 6 and here is 10, means 1 tens, like this, 1 tens, 6 ones, like 1 6 16. Again you can do any numbers for doing this type of activity and put them in this column. Suppose if I am taking 22, then here is 2, 22. 20 means tens means 1 tens means 10 objects are here. If I am taking 2 tens, look at here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 means here is 10 objects means 1 tens. Again I am taking 1 tens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here is one another 1 tens means 2 tens. 1, 2. So here is 2 tens. Okay, 2 tens means, and here is 2, only 2 single bits. So 2 tens, 2 ones, 2 tens, 2 ones. So 22. Okay, students. So now in this KG or kindergarten, this class, you will only learn that the how can these numbers putting or writing in this column. Okay, taking some numbers. First you taking some numbers like 10, 11, 12, 13 like this. These numbers how can you put or how can you write in this column. Okay, and where when you were reading in another class, you are going in another big class, then that time you will learn this place value vastly. Okay, so in this class you just learn the in this about this place value. You just learn how can these numbers writing in the column of tens column and ones column. Okay, how can you write? So it is your today's activity. It is, you will practice at your home this type of activity, and I am uploading this type of activity in the e-portal, and you will do this. Okay, so students, next day we will meet again in another video. So stay good and stay safe. Goodbye.